God, O Master of this universe, Creator of heaven and earth, thank you for all the splendor and beauty. We see your beauty in everything that you created. You are such a loving God that you made everything with a purpose. And we know that every single thing you created has a purpose. But because you took us as humans into consideration, you not only made all these wonderful parts of nature to function, but you made them admirable, beautiful. You made sure that you included shapes in all your creations so they could appeal to our eyes. You gave your creations textures so we could feel them and our senses would open up. You gave everything color and smell so our taste buds would be alerted by the beauty, the flavors, and the fragrances. You could have given us the basic, but you decided, no. We are your children, we are of you, and we shall have it all. You gave woman to man. You did not give him a tool or a utensil. You gave him so much in a woman, a priceless treasure, beauty, brains, nurturer. You gave us the gift of intercourse for the purpose of procreation. But you were such a good God that you made it pleasurable for a husband and wife, where they can express and exchange their energies of love, desire, and commitment to each other, their union, and their life. Every tree, every herb, every insect, creature of the sea and of the sky serves a purpose and shares this space with us on this planet. He gave us choice to eat from the land, the sea, and some birds, yet he made them so beautiful in an array of colors and features. Some are so beautiful and adorable, it is hard even to contemplate eating them. He blessed the earth with minerals and a list of nutrients to sustain us. The amazing thing about it all is that God is so magnificent that he can count every grain of sand. He knows every star. He can count every hair on our heads. What a powerful God we serve. Take time to seek out the beautiful gifts God has blessed us with. I feel the presence of God in nature. Yes, I feel the presence of God in nature. Nature speaks, it whistles, it cries, it dances. Just take some time out and sit or walk or stand in the quietness of nature. Listen to its voice, the whispers, the singing, the cries, and watch how it dances. The sea, the trees, the birds, just to mention a few. Feel the heat of the sun and the sweet breeze of the wind. Know the radiance of the sun and the beauty of the moon. The rain wets and nourishes the earth. Even the rain has a beautiful sound and a refreshing feel. When you get to know God, you get to acknowledge and appreciate how blessed we are with nature, its purpose, and its beauty. Thank you for watching this video. I am Marleen Smith. Share the video, like and comment, and remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel.